We are worker drones. Autonomous robots helping humans mine exoplanets for our interstellar parent company, J.C. Jensen, in space. Yeah, we were mistreated in the name of Windex, but it's not like we revolved and killed all humans or anything. Mostly because they handled that just fine, all by themselves. With biological life wiped from the planet, we found it pretty easy to pick up where they left off. We finally had a future, all to ourselves. Unfortunately, our parent company didn't exactly love the concept of runaway AI. Anyway, that's why my project is this sick-as-hell railgun!
That's so not the vibe!
Oh, easy, morons. It doesn't work. Yet. It doesn't work yet! Who said it doesn't work? Maybe it does.
Uzi, the homework was a word problem about buying watermelons.
Oh, and this magnetically amplified photon converter doesn't count?
No. Plus, repressed emotional baggage was only worth 2 points on the rubric. And is it supposed to be that color?
Huh?